What's going on, guys? Vinny here, and today we're going to go over some setups here on the chart, as you can see behind me. But before we get into that, guys, I just want to talk about something real quick. Uh, there's a lot of people selling trading courses out there. There's no need to do that, right? If you're thinking about buying another trading course, stop. Seriously, don't do it. And here's why. The information's already free. There are free resources that will teach you exactly how to trade. Okay. And with trading courses, you only get information. Okay. They don't give you transformation. You can't ask a course questions. You can't get feedback from a video. And that's why 95% of people who buy courses, they still fail. So what's the solution? What actually works, guys, is mentorship. You need someone who can hold your hand. You need someone who can guide you when you're confused, shove you around when you're making stupid decisions, and hold you accountable so you don't blow accounts. So just real quick, I want to show you this real quick. Where is it? Oh, here. So this is my mentorship program, right? It's a 4 sessions per month mentorship program, but we get detailed, right? Here's everything that you're going to get with this mentorship. I'm literally going to hold your hand, and you're literally going to have my personal phone number so you can call me when you're having trouble. But I'm going to audit all your trades. Okay. We're going to have a game plan. You're going to have homework, because I want to show you how you can use this system that's been helping hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people create and compound their own accounts and make money and make trading simple using a system the correct way. A lot of times we're always searching for something new or a new strategy or a new process, but you have something that already works. Use it to your advantage, right? So sometimes we can lose focus and we have to get back focused. And one of the ways to get back focused is really focusing on what works, right? You had success in the past with the cheat code or whatever strategy that you use. Continue to use it day in and day out. Don't veer off and do something else. Continue to use what works. But to really hone in your skills with trading, you're going to need someone who can show you what times you should be trading. During a New York session, when is a great time to enter into the market? When is a great time to close your position so you can make money and you can make withdrawals? Because it is possible, guys. It is very much so possible. So if you really want to start making real progress, join the mentorship program. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a special offer. Okay. Right now, my mentorship program is $3,500. Okay. What I want to do for 5 people, send an email to this email below. Okay. Expressing why you want to join my mentorship program. Okay. And I'm going to give you a discount code to take $3,000 off. Okay. So you're only gonna have to pay $500. Now you gotta have some type of skin in the game to really take it serious. Okay, but I'm willing to help 5 people change their lives using Vinny's trading cheat code. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get back into the chart, guys, real quick. All right. So at the beginning of the week, I put out a video and we were talking about GU, Euro USD. So right now, GU on the 12-hour time. Let's go to the daily real quick. That's where I want to go. Start off with the daily. Here on GU, we just broke the 47 moving average. Okay, so that means we are going to continue down, but first there's going to be a pullback. So we have a cheat code buy signal here on the daily time frame. We have to respect this pullback that's going to happen here with GU. Now let's go ahead and turn off the indicator real quick because I want to show you guys something. Now I would like to see GU push down a little bit more before we actually create that second leg. Where's my tool at? Oh, here it is. So I'd like to see GU really break this previous low here. I like to see GU push down just a little bit more and then pull back and then create that second move. Okay, that's what I would like to see. But again, we got to respect this cheat code buy signal here on the daily time frame. Now, GU can reverse from here. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see, guys, price is at this previous low, and we already started to make an initial move up. But I think price is going to really break this low before we go back up. That's what I would like to see here on GU. We do have some news tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 17th. So we're just going to play it by ear. We're not going to hop in right now. We're not in a rush to hurry up and get in on this trade because the real move didn't happen yet. This little sell-off that we had so far is not the real move. The real move happens after we get this pullback here and it creates a lower high, then creates that lower low. That's going to be our second leg real move here on GU. Let's talk about Euro USD. Let's go back to the daily time frame for Euro USD. Euro USD, again, we can see that is very much so bullish, the overall trend. Current price action is bearish, okay? We're still coming down here on EU. Again, I like to see EU break this previous low here. This is the low I'm looking for EU to go ahead and break before we get that move back up here. So we're just going to play it by ear. Actually, we're going to wait for some breakouts that might happen here on EU. Yeah, we're not going to rush this trade at all because again, the real move didn't happen yet. We're just waiting, patiently waiting to get what we need to get. In the meantime, we have USD CAD, which I like to see some more up movement here on USD CAD. I wanted to break this resistance here. Okay, we're still above the 47 moving average here on USD CAD, so price is still bullish. If you look at the dollar is still pushing up. Okay, we are very much so bullish here on the dollar. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the daily real quick. Okay, so on a daily time frame, we just hit this resistance here. Price rejects a little bit. Now we're moving back up, so we could see a push up, and if price does break this resistance that we have on a daily for the dollar, then that means the dollar is going to continue to push higher. Okay, my bias is still the same. I think the dollar is going to continue to climb higher. And my bias for gold, I like to see gold sell off. Okay, gold's moving funky right now, sideways, and gold can definitely push up and continue to push higher because gold, again, is highly manipulated. So any type of news that comes out that the president may speak about is going to shake up the market. It's going to shake up gold. Okay, so be careful trading gold. I really like just to scalp gold. Don't really like to hold gold for too long because you just never know what the market's going to do here on gold. But USD CHF daily time frame, price is pushing up. It's almost at, I think it almost hit TP. Let's go to the 4-hour and see. So yeah, it almost hit TP. I closed my position when we got this resistance up here on USD CHF. I like to see it push higher. If we can break this 1-hour resistance here, we can definitely see USD CHF go to this next resistance level up here, this daily resistance. So that's what I would like to see here happen here. Okay. But again, we're just going to play it by ear, guys. Again, if you're looking to get in on this trend, what you want to do and how you want to use the cheat code is very simple, right? 4-hour time frame, we are above the 47 moving average. Moving average, reason why we use this moving average, because it gives us our directional bias. Again, it gives us our directional bias. So if we're above it, that means we're looking for buy opportunities. So in a 1 hour time frame, we need to wait for a confirmation buy. We just had a cheat code buy signal. Prices are already heading up. So this is something I would look to buy. And look what popped up right now, a confirmation buy. Now, in order for us to take this buy here on USD CHF, and this is real time, guys, this 15-minute or this candle's 1 hour candle needs to close bullish, and then we can take the trade. Then we can hop in on the trade because price is going to push higher. So that means if I see price pushing higher on USD CHF, that means USD JPY should be heading up too. We do have a confirmation buy here on USD JPY. Let's go to the 4 hour. I talked about this in the other video. I like to see price break, come back and retest, and then push higher. That looks like that's what's happening here on UJ. Okay. Again, it's almost 9 o'clock during the Asian session. So I like to take positions now around this time. And then when I wake up early in the morning, 4 or 5 in the morning, I'm usually in profit. And it gives me a chance to go ahead and make profit while you're sleeping. But again, guys, if you want access to the system and you're new and you're looking for a way to know exactly when to buy or when to trade, or you're just looking for added influence with a strategy that you already use and you're successful with, and you need to know, should I buy here or maybe should I sell here? Use the cheat code to your advantage. So that's why we have tools, guys. Use the tools to your advantage. It's very important that you do that. Okay. My name is Vinny. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And again, I extend that deal to the first 5 people. Okay. Make sure you send that email to the email below. All right. I'll check you guys in the next video.